Okay. Okay.
Welcome to the Baffert Auction. Now, once the Baffert Auction House is where the exceedingly wealthy would come to bid on objects of the supernatural. Many a dark transaction took place in these very walls. There was one vault here, the contents of which could only be purchased sight unseen. Vault 666. Now, nobody knew what lay inside of it. One dark Halloween, a curious auction house employee cut the lock off of the door, releasing a terrible curse on everyone in the building. Now their bodies corrupted, their minds driven to madness, their souls forever damned. They lay trapped within these walls. Come inside and feel free to bid on anything you like. Just know that the only price they'll now accept is your lives. Come right in. All right. Enjoy your stay. It could last forever. Your soul! Ah! Ah!
I know, I just realized that.
Sorry.
Wait, where am I supposed to go?
I think you're going the
Where
wrong
am I
way.
supposed to go?
This way, man.
This way? We're gonna go in circles. Go in circles, yo.
Give me your soul!
Both ends. Loud.
They push in.
Hey, come on through, great head.
Dog, she's just this way. Welcome to Vault 666. All he needs is your soul. He needs any money, just your soul.
Give that fashion. So, 50 fun for the rest of your
Our friends
day.
have been dying.